Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Cash App stop working right after you updated your iPhone? This is super common after iOS updates, and the fix is entirely on your iPhone settings and App Store, no login required. First, do a full restart of your iPhone. Hold the side button and the volume down at the same time. Slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. iOS updates sometimes create temporary conflicts with Payments app, and a clean restart clears them immediately. After restarting, go ahead and open your App Store and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then, scroll down to look for Cash App update in the list. Cash App releases compatibility updates right after major iOS versions. Install any updates that's showing. If there is no update available yet and Cash App is still broken, go to your Settings app and then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find Cash App in the list and then offload the app. Offloading removes the app but keeps your account data. Then reinstall it back. When you reinstall and sign back in, everything is still there. This always gives you a clean version that works with your current iOS, and that's it. All you gotta do is restart your iPhone, update Cash App from App Store, and if it's still broken, offload and reinstall from iPhone storage. Cash App working on new iOS again.